Welcome back. You can customize the header banner. And if you click in this area, you're going to see that you have control over the look and feel of the header, and that you can change the default header that is currently in your store area. You can change the background, once again, just as you did the announcement bar. You can add in a logo image, and as you can see, the custom logo default width is going to be 90 pixels. What we're going to do here is upload an image. If you choose to have an uploaded image, you can click select. And you're going to see your logo, and your logo will be on the left side if that's where you choose it to be. What we can do here is we can change the desktop logo position. So for example, we can make it so that it appears at the top left. You'll see it here. We can make it so that it appears at the top center. And you'll see it here in this area. And you can change the width. Once you've done that, you can then go down to the menu area. You have some elements that you can change: the separator line and the sticky header, or you can enable them again. What we can do here is click the change link and then click change the menu. And you're going to notice here that you have a main menu selected for this area. We can click inside of this area. Now what we can do here is we can create a custom menu. And we're going to give this menu a specific name. And we're then going to add in menu items. Now Shopify will ask you for a link, and you are going to need to have one. You're going to want to direct people to a place already on your site. And that is what we are going to do in this video. Once we have the link where we want it to be, we can then click Add. And you're going to see your menu item. Now, what you can do now is you can add in multiple menu items. You can add in another link on your existing site. And you can continue to add menu items. Once you have your new menu, you can then save the menu. Now, if you want to give your menu a handle within Shopify, you can customize this URL slug. We're going to leave the default there. We're going to click Save Menu. You'll now see that there is a third menu available. What we're now going to do is we're going to refresh our page. We're going to click F5. We're now going to come back to the menu area. We're going to click Change. We're going to click Change Menu. And we're now going to see the new menu available. We're going to change now to this menu that we just created. We're then going to click Select, and you'll then see your new menu in your header area. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.